All right, this is State of Florida versus Stephen Allen Cooper, case number 19 CF 866. Mr. Cooper's before the court today. He represents himself. Mr. Cooper, do you still wish to represent yourself?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, there's been a bunch of motions filed today, but print out the motion that I've denied, most of the pro se, the ones that were filed as of the 12th. Madam Clerk, dismissed, the motion to dismiss defendant's motion to reinstate bond and vacate related bond forfeiture, and notice of speedy trial.
Development resubmitted.
Yeah, and I'm going to deny them again. All right, where we at? I dismissed the pro se notice of speedy trial demand. But okay, we'll set it for the November. Anything else, Mr. Cooper?
Yes, you dismissed them because of a certificate of service, and they were refiled with a proper certificate of service.
They were just refiled today. I have not had a chance to look at them. So I won't deny them today. I'll just reserve on that. Okay. I can't, I just have not, they were not in the court file when I looked this morning. They were filed today. So I'm not prepared to order them. I will not dismiss them today, but I will have a chance to look at them. Okay.
So I have a right to reinstate bond?
No, I'm not reinstating it right now. And I'm not going to reinstate your bond. You failed to appear. Judge Costello, my understanding that Judge Costello was covering for me, that you appear by Zoom, and you did not come to trial as you were ordered to, so you're not getting back out of jail.
It was not willingly, though.
You're not getting out of jail, Mr. Cooper.
But I have a right to bond.
Denied.
And
all right, well, denied.
I do have a motion that I'd like to submit to you.
You can submit it.
Disqualification of judge.
Okay, submit it.
Who should I hand it to?
To the clerk. We'll set that for the 19th. We'll have a chance to look at the other ones, okay? State of Florida versus Stephen Allen Cooper, case number 19 CF 866. Mr. Cooper is present in the courtroom. He's representing himself. Mr. Cooper, do you wish to continue to represent yourself?
Yes, Your Honor.
And we're set for trial November 3rd. All right. Did you get the order to deny motion for disqualification of judge?
I have not received that.
All right, I'll have that printed out for you. There's some other motions that you filed. Looks like we got them yesterday. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this on the trial docket for that November date. I'm going to set this for October 24th for a trial management and motion day.
I got the bond reinstatement that was previously filed, and
yeah, I'm going to deny that motion for bond. You're based on your failure to appear. I'd already, and for the record, I have had you arrested at least once on a failure to appear. Released you again on, allowed you to go back to, I believe, Ocala. On the morning of trial, after you filed a demand for speedy, you failed to appear, and Judge Costello revoked your bond at that time, had a capias, and then we had to, I think the capias was outstanding for a while. So my motion is denied.
I'm prepared to make arguments in regard to that.
I'm not prepared to listen to them. I'm ruling on your motion. Okay? Well, I can rule on a motion without hearing an argument, and that's what I'm doing today. Anything else?
Any of the other motions?
I'm going to hear everything on the 24th, because you just filed a bunch yesterday on the 16th, and we got them in the court file. So I'll hear everything the 24th. That will conclude today's hearing. Mr. Cooper, we'll see you then. Mr. Cooper, you're here today on your trial management. I believe you're set for trial November 3rd at 8:30. You're representing yourself. Do you wish to have an attorney appointed to represent you or talk any more about that?
No.
Okay. All right. Where are we at?
I believe it's the motions, and I have my motion to reinstate bond.
And that'll be denied.
All the motions filed on the 14th that you postponed 30 days until this date, and none of them have been responded to.
Filed in reverse, responding to his multiple motions to dismiss, the motion for discharge, and the motion to quash the information.
All right.
Actually, a motion to disqualify the judge was filed as well. I believe you got that.
I think I've ruled on that, hadn't I?
I believe you got another one.
Yeah. All right, I'll get you an order of that next week. We'll leave it on the docket for November 3rd. See you then.
This exchange catches a lot of viewers off guard. Many people think every motion automatically guarantees a debate in court, but judges often have the authority to rule without hearing lengthy arguments, especially when they've already reviewed the record. Were you surprised when the judge refused to hear more.
Are you going to give me the traverse? Because I haven't received anything.
Yeah, if you don't have it, the state had this already been filed, so if you want to give it to them or state, or the clerk